Yes. We've got some stuff. Yo, what is up, people on the internet? Today,
we got some packages in.
Yes, indeed. So we have here a lot of parts and trinkets and wheels, and there's more wheels in this box. We kind of went a little crazy on Yahoo Auctions.
Yeah, we kind of figured out how to import stuff, and I got a little carried away.
So we were gonna open all this stuff out here on the cars and everything, but it's kind of starting to like misty rain, and the wind's starting to pick up. Yeah, the wind. We're always dealing with the wind out here. Hands are getting cold because it's cold as balls.
There's some stuff in these packages that we don't really want to get rained on.
Yeah.
At least too much.
So we're gonna move inside. All right, we have successfully made it inside. So we've got Trent's stuff, we've got my stuff, and yeah, grab a box, I guess. Start opening something.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Alright, I think I know which one this is, or what's all in this.
More bubble wrap.
But at least it's on what's important.
Oh, here you go.
It's a Carboy magazine. There should be just a big parts catalog for drift cars, track cars, anything you could think of.
Yeah.
Showing off tracks, builds.
Cool.
Hell yeah. And this should be the Keisuke, I believe Keisuke Tsuchiya. Can't remember exactly what the name, like the full name of it was, but this should be a demonstration driving video. And this should also be another VHS, but this is, my bad, Matt. I had it backwards. This is the demonstration video.
This is Drift Tengoku.
Yeah, this is Drift Tengoku.
Yeah, that's Drift Tengoku. This
is the actual demonstration video.
Yeah, that's old Keiichi.
Mm-hmm. This is old.
All right, so Trent opened a box. Now I want to open a box. This box has a lot of stuff in it. A lot of small stuff. A lot of consolidations. And boom, right on top is one of the first pieces. So, get into that. This may look like a Nardi, but it is not. I can't remember what the brand of it is, but it's like a Nardi. It was a Nardi clone. It was super cheap. So
Just a quick pickup, just that it might as well.
Yep. Now, to double back on that, here is a genuine Nardi. I think it's a 330. But yeah, actually,
that's in nice condition still.
Yeah, fairly little worn, but we got the wheel stack going. Because here's another one. This one, before I open this one up, this one is rougher, but I got this one for a deal too. All of this was a great deal. If you ask my fiance, everything was the best deal in the world. But this is a old school Tom's Racing with the horn button.
I feel like that'll clean up pretty nice still too.
Yeah, so I figured I can clean up the metal a little bit, and even the leather's not terrible. I don't really know what I'd put this in. I don't have a car to put this in, even for the 8.6. If anybody remembers, I do have an 886 torn apart. But, all right, another piece in the box. Old logo Bride head pad for my bride seat, my bride Zeta Z2. If you guys remember, we picked that up when we went to Special Stage East Final Bout event. So just put that, and now it looks like 10 times better. The old bride. Boom. Cool.
That's a $5,000 seat.
Yeah. Here we have a crystal JDM shift knob, but it is a light up one. So like a lot of the Chinese light up shift knobs that you can get, they take like a little micro USB in the side. It looks kind of hokey. This actually hides all in your shift boot, as well as if you look up close, this thing's definitely kind of old because the acrylic's cracking. And
But it's old school bubble.
ooh, actually.
Oh, you could swap it?
Yo.
That just changes everything.
This was like $6. So
Yeah.
it was kind of like just buy it because it's cool.
That's kind of the ongoing theme with everything. Why we bought so much? It was only $6. It was only a couple bucks. It was only $10. And then shipping.
Yep. So last thing in this package, wrapped up in Japanese newspaper magazine stuff.
Seems like a cool dude.
Yeah, support his. He looks like a lawyer, maybe.
Well, it's Japan, so they always have weird ads. So the chances are he's probably maybe like a foot masseuse or something.
Yeah, it could be. So I got a whole boatload of drift Tengokus. Bunch of them here. Literally all sorts of them to watch. Volume 67.
Sick. These option videos and the Drift Tengoku crew and all that, they always do just like crazy stuff art for these covers.
They do. It's pretty.
Like, what the hell is this?
Magic. Monkey Man magic. Some of the bags. Wait, let's check the bags. One bag. Oh, yeah. There's a
little bit of, is that crack or cleavage?
that must be one of the drifters' butt crack. We gotta blur that. Back to Trent. He's gonna open one.
Yep. I kind of have an idea of which one this is already based on the way it sounds in there. And how heavy it is too. This was a lot that I auctioned on and won for actually a pretty good price. But it's just a...
Trust us.
Trust.
All good price.
Trust. Everything's a good price.
See, you don't have nobody justify it to. You know, you don't got to worry about... I'll be sleeping in the doghouse if the woman finds out, but...
But these are all old options.
And there's a lot in here.
Mixed in here somewhere. Yeah, it's this one. A carboy as well. And this should be a K-style carboy, where they follow Team K style. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this one probably immediately.
Put it on the telly.
You know what? Maybe we can in the next box.
Ooh. Let's lay these out. That's a lot of VHSs, my man.
I got a lot to watch.
Plus, what? There was already the 2.
Yep.
So, this
yeah,
is...
2 more. The other 2 here. Added to the collection.
Boom. It's just cool to, like... They're cool to look at. Cool to... They come from that golden era. Such a cool time that, like... We just have to try to relive it through our cars and just watching and diving deep into the world that this used to be and still is to an extent. These, I remember exactly what these are. Yeah, a little something.
Something?
Ooh, not so shiny under that though. Boom. Ooh. A little crusty. So this plus underneath here, there's another one. SSR reverse mesh, I do believe. Little rough, little beat up. I got these for dirt cheap. I don't even know if I paid $100 for both of them. The plan is to cut the weld, re-lip, and build out a set of 6 reverse meshes. So
since, you know, he opened up a set of his wheels, maybe I should open up this inconspicuous package right here. Look at that, you can smell them. You can smell the Japanese in them. Japanesium. All right. Oh, yeah.
damn.
I decided to go with a pair of Advans instead of SSRs, seeing as the only thing we really had so far on the channel was SSRs. Saw these on there. It was a pretty good deal for all of these. Got a set of 4.
Yeah, full set of 4.
Full set.
Plus tires.
Yep.
You know, shipping's not cheap from Japan, especially once you start getting the bigger stuff and heavier stuff. And It adds up quick. You're like, oh wow, and then you're like,
It's
oh,
only this, and then you
oh.
see shipping. It's like, oh my god,
double what you paid for the item. But
I got new wheels for a 240 that doesn't move. At least it'll sit pretty.
car guy math.
Yep.
All right, I guess I'm gonna open the real big boy. So when we first found these, started seeing them, we had no idea what they were or who originally made them or how to get our hands on them. But with a little bit of research and going to some really cool events, started to track these down. We've got the base reactor.
Man, that thing is nice.
So we're gonna gatekeep the model.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is a subwoofer, if you can't really tell. This is a subwoofer. It lights up. These things are super cool. Kind of hard to get your hands on. They never sold them in the States.
You know, that good old Japanese favoritism. They only got all the cool stuff and we never got the scraps.
Super Y2K, very 2000s. It's gonna go insane for the future plan of the cars.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Trent's up next again.
Yep, got my big package.
Yes.
Yeah, this is another rare part.
Yeah, these are super hard to come by.
Yeah, really hard to come by. Like you only ever really see one of these in like every so often. But I wanted to pick up myself a nice base reactor.
Dang, dude. That.
These things
Wait a
are
minute.
super rare. What? Oh, how did that happen?
So Trent, we were both looking for one of these to tell the story, and he ended up basically doom bidding this one.
Yeah.
I paid about similar,
It's
but
got a remote.
hell yeah. So you just need power.
Yeah, okay, sick.
So he ended up doom bidding this one up. I was past where I wanted to bid to. He took over. He ended up winning it. And then I got FOMO.
All right, crazy idea here. Think about it. Double base reactor in the trunk.
Dude. Freaking.
These are just so sick. This is the thing that we, like, when you think about it, always sucks is that we never got cool stuff like this in the States. From deep diving, I'm not going to, spill sauce on other ones that we've seen. But there's a lot of cool subs that are, like, just cool car stuff that we've never got.
Not even subs, speakers.
Head units.
Yes, a lot of head units.
Lots of head units.
Yep. All right, so here we go. Got my last package. This one is a large lot. I already sliced it open. I haven't opened it up though. I haven't actually looked in here. But we've got over 100 hot version, Drift Tengoku, promotional videos, VTech Club, you name it. We've got a little bit
got
of
a
it.
Lexus LFA
Yep.
promotional DVD.
Yep. Like, that's like, LFA is like genuine dream car. Like, never, it's unobtainium.
Yep. They're like, what, $500,000?
Dude, they're so expensive.
Oh my God. This is so much.
Hot versions, option, Drift Tengoku. Is that a double DVD? I don't even.
Whoa.
D1 GP stuff.
Man, we got so much media now between this, the VHS tapes. You got another box of DVDs that you had earlier.
Could go like this. Oh, the HKS Altezza.
Dang.
Dude. Ooh, is that N2? Yeah, 86 N2 Racing.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah,
RX-8.
Spec Club.
Or as they would say, S2K. Monkey Man again, all
That's a
pimped out.
boss ass photo. That'd be a cool poster photo.
Ooh. All right, now we're into the Drift Tengoku. This looks like a Drift Tengoku, maybe team
Yeah.
comp. Those are always cool. All right.
See what's on top. I got this as a future test, but it is a double din head unit and adds zest.
Damn.
It's not a crazy one. It's still cool. Still pretty freaking cool. If I remember correctly on the listing, it said the tapes, I believe, don't work. CD should still work.
Yeah.
But I just got this just for a little placeholder, or even just maybe figure out how they work on the inside and try and fix them.
Yeah, because you can pull these things apart, and a lot of dudes add like a Bluetooth into the board and basically like modernize, but you still have like that cool look that we were talking about previously.
Yeah.
So that'll go hand in hand with those.
Yeah. It's pretty hefty. One of the bigger, kind of more expensive, I would say, in shipping wise, just because how heavy these are all together. But I ended up getting a bunch of
Is that a slim PS2?
Yep.
Now, PlayStations are just like DVD players. They're
Yep.
region locked.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes, but you can modify these.
so it might just look like a PS2, but it's a JDM
It's a
PS2.
We actually never got whites in the States.
Oh, really?
Yeah, white was a color we never got in the States. Last thing in the box. Holy crap, this thing's actually pretty big. But I just wanted an all-in-one unit to tie in with DVDs and VHS tapes. You know, thinking about it, it's kind of weird, like showing off a VHS and DVD player. Like when you think about it.
Yeah.
It's like, once upon a time, we didn't really care about this stuff.
No.
But this is a nice,
Double cruiser.
yeah. This should play all DVDs and tapes.
It's all, yeah, and it's all Japanese.
Yep.
I know what that says. Volume.
Yeah. Gotta create Boss Coffees.
Yeah, well, we kind of got everything set up. Take an Instagram photo, but got the wheels, the subs, steering wheels, and a ton of media. The PlayStation 2s, everything just to add to the whole parts collection. But we're not done. We've got everything opened, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hook up the VHS to the TV and try watching some of this stuff. Alrighty, we got the VCR DVD combo hooked up to the old TV, and we're gonna watch this one first. This is looks to be a team drift competition, and these ones are always cool.
This looks so much better than trying to watch it through YouTube.
That is everything that we had to show in today's video. Sorry if it's kind of like maybe a filler episode, but if you made it this far, obviously, I guess you thought it was cool and liked it. I mean, we like this stuff.
Probably the same hobby as us, so.
Yep. So a lot of cool stuff to put in the cars and just mess with and watch over time, but we're gonna go back to the DVD player and watch some, and then maybe work on his car, but
Maybe.
we've got a lot of distractions now. Other than that, guys, do the YouTube stuff. Peace. One bag. Oh yeah. There's
No, but is that crack or cleavage?
that must be one of the drifters' butt crack. We gotta blur that.